Hello dear students, very good morning to all of you. Hope you all are doing very well, enjoying your live classes. Well, today we are going to discuss the question paper, means English language question paper, which was asked in the second term examination. Okay, so let's begin. You must have lot of doubts, inquiries, so please be clear. So first of all, today we are going to discuss the grammatical question. That is question number 3rd. Okay. Here you have to fill in the blanks with appropriate words. Generally, the words are either preposition or adverb. You know it. So number 1. Question number 3rd, that is number 1. We will talk about the matter dash tea. So we'll talk about the matter over tea. Okay. Generally we are having tea and we are talking something. This is a general case that we do. So over is only the perfect. You cannot say after the tea. When something is very long discussion, then you can do after tea. But if it is very short one, informal one, then while having tea you may discuss. So here over tea. Number 2, I have always lived my life, that's my own terms. So, I have always lived my life on my own terms. I have always lived my life on my own terms. On. Okay. Now number 3. We hardly come dash the kind of books nowadays. So here come across. What is a simple word here? We hardly find. Okay. Means find suddenly. So what is the present verb for find suddenly? Come across. So here we hardly come across. We hardly come across this kind of books nowadays. Number 4. He behaves as if he only behaves, but he is not in reality. So we always use were in this case. But if here it is behaved, then it will be had been. But here it is behaved, so here were. He were my best friends. Best friend. Okay. Number 5. Number 5 is promises should dash kept. So promises should be kept. Promises should be written here. Should be kept. Number 6, that is they broke dash during the story as it was very emotional. So here what is simple word? Started crying. Okay. So broke down. They broke down during the story. Okay. Number 7 now. He was run dash by a speeding car coming from the opposite direction. So run over. Okay. So run over. Number 8. Study hard dash you should fall ill. You should fail in life. So most of you have written otherwise, else you should fall in life. If you write otherwise, or then it will be you, otherwise you will fail in life, not should. What will be there? Lest. Okay. What is the meaning of lest? Lest means so that you should, means so that subject should not. Okay. So it will be lest. 8. Study hard lest you should fail in life. Okay. Number 9. Both the captains were unwilling. So unwilling to do something. Unwilling to compromise. Unwilling to compromise. And last and number 10 is he cannot come to school yesterday. He could not come to what there did is there. So he did not come to school yesterday because of severe headache. Because of severe headache. Okay. And now here in the letter, see question number 1, write a letter to your mother who has gone out of town, telling her about how you are helping your father in managing the house. So you have to write how you are helping your father. Of course, most of you have written correctly, cooking, washing the home, but I have observed there, many of you have written something different. Okay, you have put there the different story. This shouldn't be done. Then give details of the household work you are doing. What the household work you are doing right there also. Okay. As you are cooking or washing this thing. And how you are helping your younger brother or sister. Also preparing your younger brother or sister for school or helping him or her for study. Okay. That way you write in the body. Now for formal letter, your father was suffering from coronavirus. Your father, mother is there. Mother was suffering from coronavirus disease and was admitted to a hospital. So she was taken care of very beautifully. And so she was cured very soon. So that's why you're writing letter to the director of that hospital, of course, thanking him or her for giving so much or giving so excellent service. Okay. So right there, what the service your mother got there, of course, from nurses, from doctors. Okay. Of course, the boys from there who are helping her. All you may write. So, in this way you will write. And for question number 2, it was, you had to write notice. You know very well, notice and email, both are not separate. Both are dependent on same topic. Okay, so in the notice, in the email, it was written that write an email to the principal of neighboring school to conduct a workshop. Which workshop? That is same workshop that is mentioned in the notice. But most of you have failed here, understanding that thing. You thought that email is different, but must tell you, email is based on the same topic what the notice is. Okay, and here write an email to the principal of neighboring school to conduct the workshop based on importance of cleanliness to stay healthy. So you are not requesting him or her to conduct the workshop in his or her own school, but you are inviting him or her to your school. Here in the notice, a workshop is going to be conducted in your school. So you are inviting the principal of the neighboring school to conduct the workshop which is being conducted in your school. That you have to understand. Okay. Well, dear students, I hope you have understood the thing and you have discussed this question paper of English language which was given in second term. So, bye bye. Thank you. Ciao.